In this video, you'll learn how to use the AI assistant in the design and document scenario to extract a process from a SOP. Start with a new business process diagram. Then open the AI assistant from the toolbar. Click plus Upload File and select the document containing your SOP. After the file is uploaded, click Extract Process. When the extraction is complete, a process description will pop up, including the suggested process name and description, as well as involved roles and tasks. Satisfied with the extracted information? Click Generate Process and the process model will be created. Now you can make sure that the generated process meets your expectations. Not satisfied with the results? Adjust the process by interacting with the AI assistant via the chat interface, then click Regenerate Process. Have a look at the Adonis Online Help for more information.